What's going on, everybody? In today's video we unbox 3 pieces from Titan Fitness. What's going on, everybody? My name is William Graziano with metabolicevolution.com. I know this is the first time I've ever done a video like this, but I've decided to order some new gym equipment. The package has actually just arrived, so this is going to be my first gym equipment review slash unboxing. Like I said, I've never done a video like this before, but you guys are going to join me as I open up 3 boxes that I got from Titan Fitness. So what we ordered was a Titan Fitness Hex Bar for trap deadlifts and shrugs and things like that, rows. Then we also ordered a easy curl bar from Titan. Actually, no, we ordered a hammer grip curl bar from Titan. And then we ordered a single leg Bulgarian split squat apparatus from Titan. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open up these boxes and let you guys know my honest feedback on the packages that literally just arrived at my door. So as you guys can see here, these are the 3 boxes that showed up from Titan. Initial reactions just to the packaging itself. So you can see this one here, the barbell's basically like hanging out of the box. Then on this other side as well, you can see the head of the bar is actually already poking out. So, but just based off of that first, based off the first look, I mean, hole in the box, that stuff's expected. It's a 45-pound bar in a cardboard box. I do think they probably could have done a much better job at just packing the stuff. I don't know, maybe put like some styrofoam nubs around the end of the bars or something to be able to prevent the bar from actually breaking through the cardboard. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my knife, cut these boxes open, and show you guys the goods. First up from Titan is going to be the, I believe it's going to be the hammer grip curl bar. We're gonna open that one up first. Let's go. Here we are, Titan. Both caps are in. Titan hammer grip curl bar. I ordered this to really be able to hit the brachioradialis really well. I used one in a commercial gym not too long ago, maybe about 2 weeks ago, and I absolutely loved the contraction that I got on my brachioradialis. Something that I feel like a lot of individuals probably don't train properly. As you can see there, the arm is a bit larger than the brachio, so we're gonna try to even that out. But the bar in itself, I mean, it's got a nice spin to it. Titan end caps right there, cap on both sides. They lube it up really well. Again, I mean, I think it's a quality piece of equipment for what I bought it for. I believe this is like $55. Huge shout out to Coop from Garage Gym Reviews, as his reviews have definitely gotten me interested in this company. And so I've started to accumulate some of their equipment. So without further ado, man, I mean, we're just gonna see how this thing works out. And I'll definitely probably end up doing like a follow-up video in regards to, you know, how the bar holds up after we crush some hammer grip curls for about a month. All right, cool. Well, Titan Fitness hammer grip curl bar passes the test. I like it. I'm excited to use it, and definitely look forward to putting it into my garage gym. All right, guys, next up is going to be the Titan Fitness Hex Bar. Now, I wanted to get this Hex Bar because I just figured I would start to incorporate some Hex Bar deadlifts, and I also know that the trap bar itself is great for isolating your traps, which is something that I really want to start to work on and isolate a bit more. I also know that an exercise I tried in the gym the other day felt really good, and that was essentially a trap bar bent over row. So we decided to go ahead and order a trap bar from Titan. I got this bar for about 105 bucks. I think it was about $105. And we're gonna go ahead and open that thing up right now. All right, here we go. So I'm actually really interested to see how they pack this thing in here and as to why it would kind of break apart the way that it did. But again, I think it's something that can be easily, this is something that I think can be easily changeable. And essentially that's just like throwing some styrofoam caps on the end of the bar to prevent it from actually breaking, to prevent it from breaking through the box. Oh, I see we got some wood in here supporting it. We're getting there, give me a sec. Hey, there we go. Yes, sir. Ah. All right. There we go. Ooh, she's pretty. Even came with some collars. I appreciate that, Titan. Thank you very much. 2 collars. And here she is. Yo, here we go. Does it have Titan caps on it? See a cap? Nope, it's silver. Silver. Solid weight. All right, let's check it out. All right, so that was a Titan Fitness trap bar. Let me go ahead and grab it. We can take a better look. So again, like I said, guys, I wanted to be able to use it for shrugs, which it's going to come in perfect for shrugs. Wanted to be able to use it for some bent over rows. So the positioning of the bar actually would allow you to isolate your lats better than a normal barbell, because you can't actually pull the barbell through your stomach, right? But your hands actually go behind your body here, which would essentially allow you to shorten your lat muscles much better than a standard barbell would. All right, so those are 2 pieces. I'm actually really excited about those 2 pieces. I think they're pretty good quality for the amount of money I paid for them. Again, competitor prices are much, much higher than Titan. So I decided, hey, why not just try them out? So here's where we're at. We're gonna be trying these things out, and we have one more piece to open up right now. Boom, here it is. The Titan Fitness single leg split squat stand. All right, let's dig into it. Sweet. All right, we got your hardware, nuts, bolts, your plastic end caps. Honestly, one of my concerns was, how thick is that pad, and will that pad be enough cushion to support the weight that will essentially be on that back leg? And this pad is actually surprisingly, I mean, it's not as big and fat as a lot of the pads I've seen, but I didn't expect it to be this good. Thank you, Titan. The gauge of the steel, honestly, is a bit better than I expected. I didn't expect it to be as thick. I know I'm not exactly sure what gauge metal this is, but it actually seems like it'd be pretty darn sturdy. So, you know, I think this will definitely allow me to change up my idea with using this apparatus, from just using it with single leg with a dumbbell to actually being able to use a barbell. So very, very excited about this, and let's go ahead and continue the unboxing. So all you guys out there who are like do-it-yourselfers and what have you, this seems like a pretty easy freaking build, but Make sure you read your instructions first. Alright guys, so honest review on everything. I'm actually very, very satisfied with the purchase. Granted, I haven't used any of the equipment to its full extent yet. I actually am very excited to go ahead and put this stuff in my garage, which I'll go ahead and show you guys a little glimpse of my garage, and then later on, I'll show you guys a full garage gym review. I've been accumulating some awesome pieces of equipment over the last few years. I've always had a gym in my garage no matter what house I've lived at, besides obviously when I when I didn't have a home, but I lived in an apartment. So this is something that's really, really cool for me, and I'm definitely going to be continuing to grow the pieces, and can't wait to show you guys my garage gym, and hopefully you guys can check out some of the training clips that I've had in previous videos where we go over things like execution of exercise and things that can help you guys with obviously the lifting that you're doing in your home gym. So without further ado, let's go ahead and put this stuff in the garage.